Hello all, my name's Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. Today we'll be flying the, let's get it out here, the Neo 2. No, I'm just kidding. Today we'll be flying the DJI Avata 360. So this will be our first flight. So it's basically just a test run just to see what this beauty can do. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, just gonna have a nice little free flow test. See how this handles. Let's play some music.
Burns so bright across the ridge. We stand upon the edge above the bridge. The motors power up with steady hum. The journey through the fissure has begun. The props spin fast and cut the endless blue. The Avata 360 guides for you into the mouth where shadows grow so deep. Where the secrets of the valley lie asleep. Flying the Avata through the land. All the power rests here in my hand. Can it catch the signal in the air? Waves floating free without a care. No need to worry, no need to cry. It sees the world below from sky. The walls close in so narrow and so tight. The lens still captures every bit of light. Jagged stones left marks along the wall. We dive down deep and dare to take the fall. The signal stays through every twist we turn. The limestone holds more lessons left to learn. I feel the rush, I feel the river flow, chasing where its waters start to go. Flying the Avata through the land. All the power rests here in my hand. Can it catch the signal in the air? Waves floating free without a care. Don't need to worry, no need to cry. It sees the world below from sky. Can we go lower, take the chance? A high speed, slicker, dangerous dance. Drop the altitude, skim the stream. Living in this digital dream. Pushing limits, testing range. Watch the landscape shift and change. Feet stay steady, vision clear. Nothing left to doubt or fear. Flying the Avata through the land. All the power rests here in my hand. Can it catch the signal? In the air, it's floating free without a care. No need to worry, don't need to cry. It sees the world below from sky. We bank left where the fissure grows. Mapping ancient lands and knows. Smolder echoes, cold slate. Choosing past, deciding fate. Through the gap and out the side. What a beautiful wild ride. From Earth's depth to the sun. The flight of day is never done.
Hello all, and thanks for watching my first flight with the Avata 360. I have given it a name. The name is Icon. I think it's well suited for this drone. I really enjoy flying this drone. It's all positive from me. Next stage will be the editing, so something new to learn, and it's going to be positive about it. So without further ado, this is Kevin from Altitude Drone. Over and out. And if you could like and subscribe, much appreciated. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.